Alright, here we go. We got a 1966 Cobra. Let's check it out. And how much it went for it. Here we go. This is the 66 Shelby Cobra Roadster. They want $49,000 for it. Alright, but this has the 351 Windsor. Alright, you can read up on specs and stuff. Alright, here we go. Let's check it out. What do you think, everybody, huh? Would you want this? Nice little Cobra. Alright, check it out. Alright, here we go. Look at that. We got the speakers right there. Alright, that is cool. Cool. And look, you got the manual shit. Yes, because everyone hates automatic friggin' muscle cars. Y'all know that. I don't know how many comments I got saying, automatic is not a muscle car. Come on. Alright, let's check out this other Cobra here.
So apparently all muscle cars are manual?
Well, no, people love manual cars because automatics take away the power in the transmission and the engine. Alright, here's the other Cobra. What do you think, everybody, huh? This one don't have the speakers in it.
Honestly, I much prefer this one.
You prefer this one?
What's the point of this?
Well, in case you're wrecked, Tyler, huh?
Bang my head on the thing.
Alright, this one's got the 427 on it. Alright, but this one's as is, so it don't really give you any specs. So what do you think, everybody, huh? Yeah, the first Cobra, yes. This one's probably going to need some work. All right, let's go over to another one here. All right, there's the two Cobras. Let's go check out some more. What we got here? We got the Mercury. Ty, what do you think about this one? This is a beast right here, bro. It's a 1967 Mercury Monterey. Look at that.
Fire.
They want only $19,000 for it. All right. They got $19,000 for this. But Tyler, what is it? It's an automatic. It's a boat, Tyler. Jeez. Look how long this thing is. I mean, paint job, but for the price, I mean, this looks pretty much all original. Sheesh. Alright, let's go over to the other one. The Z28 Camaro. Got a nice shine on this one. All right, what are you asking for this one? What do you think, everybody, huh? 30? You going 30? I'm going to say 30,000. Oh, 35. All right, I was close. All right, this is the 73 Chevy Camaro Tribute, 35,000. 4-speed manual, look at that. Alright, let's check out. Come on. I love when the windows are down. We can check everything. I wish the hoods were up. That would have been awesome. But they don't have the hoods up, so we can't see the engine. Sorry, everybody. Alright, now this is sweet. What about this one, Tyler, huh?
Oh, this one's even better than
Oh, yeah, you drive this one to school, no doubt, wouldn't you?
Yes, sir.
Nice color, red, you like that? All right, let's go to this one, Ty. What is this?
I would read it.
It's on that side? Oh no, it's on the other side. Okay, let's check it out.
We have the 1940 Packard 120 sedan.
1940
Sedan.
Packard. All right. And they're asking only $18,000 for that. All right, here you go. Here's the specs. 3-speed manual. All right, they want $18,900 for this. Packard, If you like the really older cars, there you go. $18,000. Good old gangster car. Why hang everybody, huh? When you look at the old gangster movies, they pull them in a Packard. All right, what about that one beside you, Tyler?
This right here.
Oh, yes, look at this.
1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Yanko Tribute.
69 Chevrolet.
Yes, I mispronounced it on purpose.
It's got the what, the 427 in, Tyler, huh?
Dude, I
What's
don't
that
know.
say right there?
This is 427.
427,
I
yeah.
don't know what that means.
That's the engine, Tyler, 427 cubic inches.
That's how much the engine costs?
Yeah, right. Yeah, that would be cool. All right, it's all black in here. Sorry, everybody. It's like color.
Imagine
not
having
good.
tinted windows as well.
Yeah, tinted windows. All right, this is the Yanko. Hopefully we can get around here. All right, yes, we're going to check out here. Here we go, Tyler. Specs. 69 Chevrolet Chevelle Yanko Tribute. 427 V8. They want 60 grand for this. Here's your specs and all that. Yeah, I wish I could read all that too. It's a lot of write-up. So if you want to stop it, yes, everybody, please. So there's the Yanko. All right, now we got another SS Chevy. Look at this. The Chevelle by Chevrolet.
Let's see what this is.
What year is this, Tyler? 68?
Wrong.
70.
Wrong.
Dang it. What year?
69.
Ah, dang it. 69. All right, my fault. I was one off on each. All right, let me try to squeeze around here, everybody. All right, here we go, buddy. What do you think, everybody, huh? You want like the Chevelle? Maybe the Yanko? Oh, this is the Chevy Malibu, 69. 402 V8. All right, they want $49,500 for that. What do you think, everybody? Pretty good price? All right, let's check out another one. Here we go. This one's just staring at us, saying, come on. Buy us up right now. Oh, this one's as is.
I guess what you're...
Yeah, I don't like the as is, but because they don't have the write-ups. They have some kind of write-up on here. Whole bunch of write-ups. I wish I had. Okay. Well, this is a 1970. All right, that's a 70. Yeah, I don't like the as is because I like to see the actual price because this one you can actually like say, hey, how much is this? And then they can mess with the price on that. All right, what we got here, Tyler? What is this?
Guess.
Oldsmobile. I'm gonna go 70.
Wrong.
What year?
66.
66. Crap.
Oldsmobile Cobras Coupe.
All right, Oldsmobile Cutlass Coupe. Let's check this out.
Just get over here real quick.
All right, What do you got price on this bad boy? 66 Oldsmobile Cutlass Coupe. 330, 2-speed automatic. They want $23,900 for the. All right, $23,900. Okay. All right, what's that interior look like for $23,900? Is it gonna be pretty good? Looks like it will be. Oof, is this original? Possibly. Man, look at the seats on this. Nice. It's got to be original. Please tell me. What do you think? It's got to be original seats. I don't know, because that design kind of. All right. Ty, what do you got there? What is that?
Guess what year this is?
I'm going 50s.
How you getting that?
What year?
55.
55, yes.
I can guess the car.
What is it?
A Dodge Coronet 2-door sedan.
It's a Dodge. Okay. Dodge Coronet. All right, what do you think, everybody, huh? Patch, what do you think of this Dodge? Joe, come on, please tell me. John, you like this one, huh? Look at this. 55 Dodge Coronet 2-door sedan. It's got the automatic in there. But when we're older, yes, automatics rule. $20,900. Because our feet wear out. Our ankles wear out. Our legs wear out. Our hips wear out. Y'all know that.
Everything
Come on.
wears out.
Yes. Back in the day when we were 20 years old, oh my God, you wanted friggin' manual, buddy. Squeal those tires easy. Y'all know that. Wow, look at the back seat. Nice. Bench in the back, bench in the front. All right, look at the interior on this. My God, look at this. Yeah, that would be funny. Look at all the stuff to the interior here. Sheesh. All right, everybody, there you go.
You got one more car? In this lot?
No, that's. All right, I'm done with this lot. All right, everybody, there you go. Thanks for watching. Please tell us what car would you want. That is that lot. We are in Morgantown, Pennsylvania at the Classic Auto Mall, which they have thousands of cars here. If you're ever in Morgantown, PA. Thanks for watching. See ya.